so in this video I'm going to show you how to get this upside down braided bun hairstyle, so keep watching. So these are the things I'll be using to create this hairstyle. I'll be using a Denman brush, a smoothing brush, and also a rat tail comb. Also some gel and your choice of hairstyling product, some water, and hairspray. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is part my hair using the rat tail comb. I'm parting it in the middle, kind of like a half up, half down kind of hairstyle. And it's okay if your parting isn't straight because you're not going to be able to see it at the end, so it's okay. Then I tie the top part away and I'm going to mist the bottom section with some water. And then I'm going to brush the bottom section with the Denman brush. Then I'm going to add some gel to the bottom section and I'm going to brush it again. You want to make sure that it's detangled so it can be very smooth once you start to braid it. And I'm going to go ahead and flip my hair upside down and I'm going to brush it upwards. This is where I'm going to start braiding the hair. So this is it was kind of hard for me to record this, as you guys can tell, but I'm going to go ahead and keep my hair like this, like upside down, and I'm going to braid my hair like this. Braiding your hair upside down could be a bit difficult, but what helps me is to say it in my head what I'm doing, like under, drop, pick up some hair, and then I repeat that as I go. Then what I'm gonna do is tie the braid once I'm done, just to kind of keep it out the way and make sure that the braid doesn't become loose. And I'm going to mist the top section with some water and add my styling product to the hair. I'm gonna go ahead and start smoothing this section to make sure that it looks nice and smooth. So the section where you can see the parting that you created, you want to make sure you go over that to connect the section. You don't want it to have like that line, so as you see me doing here. Then I'm gonna take the ponytail out that was holding the braid and I'm going to go ahead and tie that section together. So I'm gonna go ahead and tie my hair as much as I can, and the last loop like this, I'm gonna leave it a half loop. I'm gonna make sure that the end is to the front so you can see my curls like that. Now those sections right here that you guys can see kind of like opening, I'm gonna go ahead and try to cover that up with this toothbrush. So I'm gonna go ahead and brush it up and I'm going to secure that with a bobby pin. So I'm gonna make sure that I'm applying the bobby pin close to the braid so it can kind of hide, so you can kind of not see it. I'm applying it close to the braid and also close to the bun so it can kind of hide and you're not able to see it that much. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some of the styling product to the ends so they can look nice and hydrated and curled. I'm finger curling them as I go. And I'm spreading them out so they can look nice and full. Then I'm going to go ahead and fix my baby hairs. I am laying them down with some gel. I added some gel to the brush. And lastly, of course, I'm going to be applying some hairspray. So this is gonna help lay down those little flyaways that are sticking up and also for some hold. And I like this hairspray because it doesn't make your hair hard. And that is it for this hairstyle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. See you guys in my next video. Bye.